Thank you folks for coming at the Spectacular Theater. It's such a miracle we have this special midnight dance party tonight because we reached 900 people on the whole platform who subscribe to YouTube channel. Shout out to Senior Queendom!
Congratulations, Senior Queendom! We love you!
Now, let's move on. I'll show you the most childish and the cutest member of the Pegasus residents living in the big mountain far away. Take a look forward to three of them, Sardi, Brody, and Chameleon.
Yay! That's so boss! Gomer, she's on the bed! Make her go build a
Whoa! It looks like she was so excited to see the marshmallows dancing in the scene, don't you think? She seems to be in her good mood all the time.
True that. Her emotion won't even fall down now they come to rock as hard as we wanna hear the bone. It's the word described by yourself to please them and their vocal. You must use your good hairs, my guy.
Yeah, she's still a nice person after all. Your YouTubers thankfully helped him to find the motivation and give a barely senses to beat the algorithm. I just gotta say, I really adore your drawing you made it for me. It reminds of you when you pet me on my head. It's hard.
You always be on your way for supporting us. Trust me. They believe your talents, your man.
Thanks. I know you all can count on me.
Guys, look. The show is starting. Let the theater commence!
Yeah.